So here we have section 3.1, exercise 6, and in exercise 6 we're told f of x is equal to 4 minus the absolute value of x. We're given a nice graph here, something like that, and we're told this point up here is 0, 4 at that maximum. And we're just asked to find the derivative there at x equals 0. So we go to find the derivative, but it matters a lot here about this absolute value, because the absolute value of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is equal to negative x if x is negative, because the negative of a negative is a positive. And so we have to pay attention to that, and we'll have, well, if x is greater than or, well, let's just go with, since at 0 we may have a problem, let's just go with when x is greater than 0. We have f of x is equal to 4 minus x, because our absolute value is just x. And so when I take that derivative in this case, f prime of x is negative 1. Now, if x is less than 0, then we have that f of x is equal to 4 minus negative x, because that's what the absolute value is. And so that's 4 plus x. And so now, if I take the derivative for that case, I get 1. And so we see that we have the derivative is constant negative 1 up here when we are to the right side of 0. It's a positive 1 when we are on the left side of 0. And so as a limit, that limit's not going to exist as we come in from the two sides. And so actually at 0, f prime of x is undefined. Okay, and again, that's kind of, we expect either that the derivative exists and it's 0, or the derivative doesn't exist, it's undefined. Either case, that makes a critical number. And so here, that is number 6.